Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are going to look into a few altcoins that are having great trade setups. Also sorry, I had to work 2 weeks now, so I didn't have time to make any updates, but I'm back, and please like and subscribe and enjoy this video. Hi guys, here we are again. Today we are going to look into a few altcoins and great trade setups. First of all, I'm going to take a look at the most important thing, which is the Bitcoin dominance. Why is this the most important thing? Because when the Bitcoin dominance, as you can see here we got rejected, here we found support, here we got rejected again, here we got rejected again. So this is a huge, let me say, resistance zone. So what I'm seeing right now, here we are at this trend line to the upside runs from 11th of January 2018. So you can say that this is a Genesis trend line. We found support here, we got rejected right here, we got rejected right here, and right now we are sitting here. So this dump in the Bitcoin dominance gave us the few weeks that we had right now to give the altcoins room to grow. That's just all that's happening. When money is flowing outside of Bitcoin into altcoins, then the dominance of Bitcoin drops, which is logic, right? But right now, I have to tell you that we are at a support line, which is running for the last 3 years. So this is a very huge support line. Now, if, and I have to talk with 2 words, if this line is broken to the downside, then altcoins will pump like crazy. But if this trend line holds, and we are making an ascending triangle, as you can see, higher low, higher low, higher low, this one goes to the upside, another higher low, then there is a high chance that Bitcoin dominance is going to grow, eventually to break to the upside. But this is what I'm looking for right now. It is very important. If we break this level to the downside, then altcoins will pump. And if not, then altcoins will pump. Okay, so right now, this is it for the Bitcoin dominance. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart to start with. It may look like a really messy chart, but it are all drawings from other time frames. So what I'm seeing now is that Bitcoin is really trying to go to the upside. As you saw, the Bitcoin dominance is on a support level. So if we break to the upside, then we are very, very bullish. What I also see is that probably we are overbought. That's every breakout, and we also have a bearish divergence right here. We have another bearish divergence right here, right here. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is we are in a bull market, so I don't give a damn on bearish signals right now, because there's so many money flooding into the market that bearish signals are not playing out very often. So if we break this one, Bitcoin is going to fly. That's what I'm watching right now. But I also have made a lot of trade setups for you guys. Let's take a look at Reef USDT. We have the upsloping trend line. We broke through our previous resistance, we retested as new support, and we went up. This is the next resistance box, which is 0.56 cents, and this is the upsloping trend line. Yeah, you can just figure out yourself what's the best thing to do. Right now, I won't add a trade. I just would wait to the breakout or the breakdown, and then enter a trade. The next coin, Cardano. Cardano had a huge bump. There are also Cardano pump groups, and one is saying that the 15th of February they are going to do a large pump. I have seen that group. It has like 15,000 members in it. Will it really pump the price through the resistance? I have no idea, but I'm not selling my Cardano. I just put my stop loss right below here at 70 cents in case this trend line fails. So the support area is from 76 cents to 71 cents, and the resistance area is from 98 cents to 95 cents. Okay, now let me do a fast risk to reward analysis right here. So this is right now an upsloping support level. So we started it basically right here. I'm going to take this as a measure tool. Let me say that here is the breakout. Then we clearly see that $1.20 for Cardano would be the target. And if we do a long position right here, the price right now is here. The target is right here. And if you want to play, if you want to gamble, you can put your stop loss right here, which give a risk to reward from 11, which is very huge. I'm not sure if this one will be a good one, but this is too much risk. So if you take a trade, always play as safe as possible and make small losses and huge gains. So if I would do a trade, then I would put it like this. So the next coin, BZRX. This is one that I'm watching for many weeks right now. We clearly see we have an upsloping support line. And if you take the measure tool, then the target would be $1.02. Now let me take and risk to reward for a long position. The price right now is here. Let me put right here the stop, which is 5%. That's a lot, but if you go to here, then the reward is 39%. So the risk to reward ratio is 7, which is a very good trade setup, of course. Also, again, small losses, huge gains. That's all what we are here for. AV, we're not going to do that. Let's check out Bitcoin. Okay, it's trying, guys, it's trying. Bitcoin is so bullish. With all the money flooding into the market from the Elon Musk pumpage, it's insane. Let's check out Ethereum. Do we see on Ethereum? Ethereum is clearly into a rising wedge. I don't like rising wedges because they are bearish. But as I said, if you go to here, this is basically also a sort of falling rising wedge. Let me put this one here, like this. And let's close this. This was also a rising wedge, which most of the time fall to the downside. The entry point, the start point of the rising wedge is mostly the target of the rising wedge. So it didn't happen. In fact, we broke out to the upside, we retested as new support, and we continued further. Will this break to the downside? I have no idea, but a good play is to put your stop losses below this line, because this is a great support. So let's hope that this one also, this bearish pattern gets invalidated and we pump to the upside. Then the next trade that I'm seeing is EOS. EOS didn't do a lot for years now. As you can see, we are just flat here from 2020, right here in this area, and then we started to pump. Now, the area where we are in right now, let's zoom in so you can see it a lot better. The area where we are in right now, this pink line is a very huge resistance, which you can see we got rejected here, but we have an upsloping channel, which is support, support, resistance, resistance. And right now we are in a sort of small upsloping triangle. So, and we are also above at the upper 50% of the channel. So EOS, for me, it's a good buy, but still everything has to stay calm in the Bitcoin price, because when the Bitcoin dominance starts rising, all altcoins will dump. They will dump. Don't think, oh no, it's not gonna happen this time. This time is different. There is no such thing as this time is different. Trust me. We got Injective Protocol. Injective Protocol, also one of the newer coins, which I bought at $3 or so. Also, what can we see? We have this upslope and trend line. All the charts are looking basically the same right now. We had support, support, got rejected as resistance, resistance, we blast through, got support, 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 and this is the resistance box. So, it's trying right now. Now, the top is $70, 36 cents. So when the breakout happens, it's easy to put in a long position and put your stop loss right below of this box. You can see the amounts here. So the top right now is $70, 37 cents. The low of the box is $16, 60 cents. Okay, and the next coin that I'm watching is Hedera Hashgraph. Hedera Hashgraph is a blockchain, and it's hosted in South Korea. And the rumors are going that South Korea is willing to make and create its own stablecoin. So like the digital euro, the digital dollar, they are willing to make their own digital money and put it on the Hedera Hashgraph blockchain. So this was the resistance area right here. We broke through. See, resistance, resistance. We broke through. We retested as support. We retested. We retested. We retested. So for me, this is a good buy opportunity, and just put the stop loss right below here. You see, guys, trading is not so difficult. You just have to draw some lines. You don't have to be a Photoshop professional to do this. You just draw your boxes and draw your lines, and you know where you are. And again, the price is the most important indicator. You can have some help from other indicators, but what if they don't play out? Then you also have your support and resistance boxes. So this was it for this video. Please, guys, if you like these short videos with analysis, then like this video. It's also Valentine, so just because it is Valentine, please hit the like button. Show me your love. Show it. Yeah. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe. And if you guys want to trade on Bybit with leverage, which can increase your profits very much, very harder. Is that even good English? I have no idea. Anyway, always do your own research if you're trying to trade with leverage. It just gives a boost to the results, but it can also go down. So be aware of that. So guys, have a good day. Enjoy your loved ones. Take it easy. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.